أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. We start question number 2 of exercise 1.1, solve by factorization. Question number 2, solve by factorization. This. Now first part of this question is, x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we want to factor of minus 20, because here is 1, coefficient of 1 multiplied by minus 20. We multiply the constant term with the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. We multiply by 20, minus 20, we get minus 20. Now we want to make two factors of 20, which we multiply, we get minus 20, and we plus, add, yes, or subtract, we get minus 1, this minus 1. Now we have the factor 2 5s are 4 5s are 20, 10 2s are 20. Now our requirement is 4 and 5. Now 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Now we want to we need here minus 1. It means we put the sign minus with minus 5 and plus 4. Now it is equal to minus 1. It means our factors are minus 5 and 4. We write here x square minus 5x plus 4x is equal minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we take common x from this, x minus 5, and here we take 4 plus 4 taken from common here, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have x minus 5, this taking common as we get here inside x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now either x minus 5 is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 5. Now it is first root, and again x plus 5, x plus 4 is equal to 0, we write x minus 4. Now 4 and 5, minus 4 and 5 is the solution of this part equation. We write here solution set. Now the question number 2, second part of this question is, 3y square is equal to y in brackets y minus 5. Now we write here 3, again we solve this, 3y square is equal to, we multiply y this y square, y multiply by y square minus 5 multiply minus 5, we get minus 5 y. We take all these items on the left side. This 3y square, this will go on the right side, left side y square, it will come, and minus y will come on the left side, plus y is equal to 0. Now 3y square and minus y square, we get 2y square plus 5y square is equal to 0. Now there is no constant term. We take common from y in this, y take common from, we get y, 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0, this one, y is equal to 0. Either, now next page, either y is equal to 0 or x, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. It means 2x is equal to minus 5, and this 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, and 2x is equal to, this will go on the right side minus 5, and we want to find the value of x is equal to minus 5 over 2. Now our solution set is minus 5 by 2 and 0. Now this is the solution set of this question. Now we find the question number, third part of this question. third part is our 4 minus 32x is equal to 17x square. Now we we take two terms on the right side and it becomes 0 here. 17x square minus 32 here on the right side will become plus 32x and plus 4, and we write here minus 4. Now we write this whole on the left side. Our left side 17x square plus 32x and minus 4 equals 0. Now we multiply, we make the factors of this question, and we write here the coefficient of x is 17 and constant term is minus 4. Now we multiply this 17 minus 4, we get minus 68. Okay, now we want to make two factors of minus 68, which we multiply, we get minus 68 and plus minus add or subtract, we get plus 32. It means we have 34 and 2 and plus 32 and minus 2. We here, if we multiply minus 2 with 34, we get minus 68 this, and we plus or minus 34 plus and minus 2, we get 32. Now we write here 17x square plus 34x and minus 2x this, and minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we take 17x common from this, we write here x plus 2 only, here minus 2 common here, and x plus 2 is only here, and we take x plus 2 is factor of this, we take common and we write remaining is 16x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now either x plus 2 is equal to 0, we take this 2 on the right side, x is equal to minus 2. Now this is first, and we write again 17x or 17x plus minus 2 is equal to 0, and here 17x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 17. Now our solution set is minus 2 and 2 by 17. Now solution set of this part is minus 2, 7 by 17. Now we write again the fourth part of this question. This is our fourth part of this question is at x square, this x square minus 11x is equal to 152. Now we take this 152 on the left side, we write here x square minus 11x plus minus 152 is equal to 0. Now we have coefficient 1 and minus 152, we multiply 152, we make the factor of minus 152, and we get the 1 minus 152 and plus minus we make we get minus 11. Now we have two factors, minus 19 and plus 8. Minus 19 and plus 8. If we add this, we get minus 11. If we multiply by minus 19, we get 1 minus 152. Now here we write x square minus plus 8x, let's plus 8x and minus 19x minus 152 is equal to 0. Now here we take x common from this, x plus 8, and here minus 19 we common this, and we get x plus 8 here is equal to 0. Now x plus 8, we write x plus 8 and is equal to x minus 19 is equal to 0. Either x plus 8 is equal to 0, and here x is equal to minus 8, and x minus 19 is equal to 0. Yes, x square, this x square minus 19, or here x is equal to 19. Now we write the solution set minus 8 and 19. Now it is the solution of set of this question. Now again we write the question of next question of the part is fifth part. Now it is the fifth part. This is fifth part. Fifth part is x plus 1 over x and plus x over x plus 1 is equal to 25 over 12 again. Now we here see, we factorize this, we make these fractions into standard form of quadratic equation. Now this is our denominator x, here x plus 1. We make the LCM of these two factors, we get the LCM x into x plus 1 here. Now divided by x divided by this whole, we get this, and x plus 1 this, and this multiplied by x plus 1 here. Now this divided by this, we get x, and x multiplied by x this, plus x multiplied by x is equal to 25 over 12 here. Now write this, we multiply this, and we write here x plus 1 whole square and plus x square and over x square, this x multiply x square and plus x is equal to 25 over 12. Now we write this x square a plus b whole square formula we use, x square plus 2x plus 1 and plus x square this over x square plus x is equal to 25 over 12. Now we combine the same variable, x square plus x square this and this plus 2x plus 1 over x square and plus x is equal to 25 over 12. Now this we write again, and this we write 2x square plus 2x plus 1 over x square plus x is equal to 25 over 12. Now by cross multiplication, we write this multiply with this, 12 into 2x square plus 2x plus 1 and is equal to 25. This multiply by this x square and plus x. We multiply this 12 multiply this 24 x square plus again 24x plus 12 plus multiply 1 we get 12. Now here we write this 25 multiplied by x square, 25x square and 25 multiplied by x plus 25x. Now we all write the variables as constant on one side. We take these all on the right side as 0. Here we write 0, 25x square, we write this 24 on the right side minus 24x square, and this plus 25x, we write this 24x here, x 24 minus 24x, and this plus 12 on the right side, it will become minus 12. Now we write this 0 is equal to this minus this minus this, we get x square and plus this, or here 24x, 24x, I don't write for this 24 on the right side, this 25x minus 24x, I will write here only x and minus 12. Now we write on the next page the remaining question is x square plus x and minus 12 is equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x square is 1 multiplied by minus 12, we get minus 12. I will make two factors which we multiply, we get minus 12, and add or subtract we get plus 1. It is 3 and 4. 4 is plus and minus 3. We write this x square plus 4x and minus 3x and minus 12 is equal to 0. Because we get minus 3 from 4, we get plus 1x. we take x common from this, x plus 4 and minus 3 we take common from this, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now either x plus 4 is taking common from this and we inside write here x minus 3 is equal to 0. Either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or right here x is equal to minus 4. Now this is our first answer of this, and r is equal to x minus 3 is equal to 0 and here x is equal to 3. Now we want to write the solution set. Here first we minus write 4 and 3. Now it is the solution set as solution set of this exercise, of this part. Now we write the next part of this. Next part is and solution is, it is sixth part. This is sixth part, and sixth part is 2 over x minus 9 and minus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to this is equal to 2 over x minus 9 is equal to 1 minus x3 and minus 1 over x minus 4. Now it is our this question. First we write these fraction expression, algebraic expression of this we write in a standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we write same as 2 over x minus 9 is equal to. Now we see here this is x minus 3, this is x minus 4. We make the LCM and we take both terms in as LCM. Now x minus 3 multiply x minus 4, this divided by this whole we get this. Right here x minus 4, again this minus right here, this divided by this we get this. Now it is a minus sign, we write this in brackets and x minus 3 here we write again this add 2 over x minus 9 is equal to this x minus 4 minus x. This multiply again in bracket, we open the brackets and x minus x and plus 3. Now we write here in the denominator, this is we also multiply this and x square and this minus 4x and again this minus x minus 3x as minus 3 or minus 4 we write plus 12. Now this is our. Now we write here again 2 over x minus 9 is equal to, this will cancel, this and this cancel, and minus 4 plus 3 we write minus 1 over x square and minus 4x minus 3x minus 7x and again plus 12 right here plus 12. Now by cross multiplication, like this minus 1 multiplied by this term and this multiplied by this, we write this 2 in x square minus 7x and plus 12 and is equal to minus 1 multiplied by x minus 9 here. Now here 2x square and minus 14x and plus 24 and here is equal to minus x and plus 9. We take all these on the left side, 2x square minus 14x and minus x and plus 24 and minus 9, this minus here 9 is equal to 0. Now 2x square, now minus 14 plus 1 minus 13x and here also plus 24 and minus 9 we write here plus 15, this 15 is equal to 0. Now we multiply this 2 by this constant coefficient of x square, multiply this we get 30. Now we make the 2 factor of 30 which we multiply and we get 30, and we plus or minus, we get minus 13. This minus 13, or we clearly seen here 10 3, minus 10 and minus 3. If we multiply this, we get 30. If we add this, we get minus 13. It means our two factors are minus 10 and minus 3. We write 2x square minus 10x and minus 3x and plus 15 is equal to 0. We take 2x common from this, 2x from this, x minus 5. Now here we only minus take common from this, x minus 5. This take common from this 0 is equal to 0. Take common, x minus 5 is multiply 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have these two factors and we get the answer equating the 0. We get this result: either x minus 5 is equal to 0, or here x is equal to 5. Now 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and here 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have two solutions, and solution set is 3 by 2 and only 5. Now it is the solution set of this question.